Hey you guys, so today is Thursday. I probably super exhausted right now. I've been up since like 6 this morning, but I wanted to vlog this weekend because we're actually here in California. We just got here like maybe 30 minutes ago or so, so I thought it would be fun to vlog while we're here.
Oh, that one landed perfect. Give me another one, Jaden. Go throw that, Jaden, Junior.
He's just like squeezing it on him.
Careful, careful, careful. Give me another one, Jaden. Give me another one.
Oh my god.
Oh no, on my shoe.
Careful, not so close because it hurts like that.
Pop on him.
Hit him. You're just getting wet?
Yeah.
Go. Get him wet. Get the gun. Get the gun. Get it. What him? Where's your deal? Do it. Ah.
Get him. Whoa, careful. Don't run.
It's slippery.
It's slippery?
Hey, get him. Get the kids. Right here.
Hey you guys, so it's the next day now. I didn't vlog very much yesterday, but we just got here to a graduation.
You can rest assured that they received the toughest and most physical and mentally demanding recruit training offered anywhere in the world. Marching in today's parade are 295 of the graduating Marines from Company E. Recruit training is comprised of subjects required to produce basic Marines who function effectively in garrison, to work with and for others toward excellence and common goals. For the Marines of Company E, today marks the end of a 12-week recruit training cycle. They have marched countless miles at Camp Pendleton and on this parade day, and have been trained.
Semper Fidelis, Marines. Congratulations and welcome to the Corps.
Second guy in, the guy first out.
The senior drill instructors will now dismiss their platoons. This will be the last order the new Marines receive from their drill instructors, and needless to say, the most welcome order they have received while in boot camp.
I didn't end up vlogging very much yesterday. We ended up just staying at George's parents' house for the rest of the night. We just kind of hung out outside and then watched a couple of shows and went to bed. We were so tired. And then yeah, we did. We didn't go anywhere yesterday. And then this morning we went and saw one of George's guys graduate from boot camp. So we're still here at the base right now. We're about to head out. We're gonna go to the beach, but it's super cloudy and cold, so I'm not too sure what we're gonna end up doing today. They're eating Pop Rocks for the first time. What do you think, Jaden? Is it cool?
They'll break.
They're breaking?
If you chew them, they pop on your tongue.
Mm-hmm.
But if you chew them on your teeth, they pop on your teeth. I want them pop.
Just pour it into your mouth so it doesn't get all over your hands
like
and get all
popcorn.
sticky.
But except it pops your teeth and stuff. I never had this kind of candy before.
I thought it came with like a lollipop and then you dip it in there. This is gonna turn into a mess. Pour it into your mouth, baby.
Look at it. Let's see what you can do. Peel it.
It's gonna spill like that. No, don't do that, Jaden. That's a bad idea.
And then look at.
Just pour it into your mouth, baby. Pour it. There you go. See? Did you get some? Let me see. Let me see it. Let me help you. Oh, no wonder you got it all. It's all like stuck together from licking it. There. Now do it from the side like that. Pour some in your mouth.
This?
Yeah. There you go. Got some? It's on top of your lip. Lick it off. On the top of your lip.
It's sticky. You feel that, Emily?
Mm-hmm.
You hear mine? Wait.
Mm-hmm. So it's freezing out, but we still decided to come get some ice cream.
You know an old lady was crossing the street and then said, "Oh, it's Mama."
Alright, so we ended up going back to the house. We changed into some more comfortable clothes. And now we're going to go hang out at George's friend's house. We're going to have a cookout. And he has a heated pool, so I think the kids might go swimming. And we're just going to hang out there for the rest of the night.
And go. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go.
You got the little bit of mouth.
And go.
You got the little bit of
And
mouth.
go.
Wait, did you get it? Of course I got it.
Nine. Oh, look, there's your queen over there.
I thought you went for it because she fucking.
I didn't go
She
for
got
shit.
it. Look at this guy.
I'm scared, dude.
Y'all were supposed to take out spoons.
What do y'all got?
I got the boys, motherfucker.
You guys put 3 spoons for the 3
No, I
of
had
you.
it saved right here. I had it saved right here.
Hey you guys, so today is now Saturday. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna combine these videos. I'm kind of just getting little bits and pieces of each day. But right now we're about to go to Mexico to pick up my in-laws, and then we're actually gonna stay the night there and head back home tomorrow. George goes back to work on Monday and JD has school. So yeah, we're just waiting for my sister-in-law right now to meet us here so we could go cross the border and go get them, and it should be a lot of fun. We want to go to the beach, but it's so cold here. It's 60 degrees right now and it's cloudy, and that's how it was yesterday, so we weren't able to go to the beach. And actually when we went to our friend's house last night, the kids still didn't end up going swimming because it was just way too cold. And we ended up playing card games all night. It was a lot of fun, but I think we might still go to the beach but not let the kids go in the water, just hang out. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what we end up doing.